Hi everyone, today we are going to learn a quick React trick, how to automatically focus on an input field when a component loads using useRef hook. Let's jump right in. We'll start with a simple functional component and I'll name it autofocus input. So let's go to my editor and let me create autofocus input component. So I'll name it like that and I'll give it tsx extension, and inside we'll create a basic input field. So I'll first export this function and it will have a name autofocus input. And okay, sorry for my neighbors, sometimes they are loud. Let's create a simple input inside of this component. So we'll do something like that: input, type text, and let's add placeholder, type something here. Now, second step, to manage focus, we'll use the useRef hook, and useRef gives a reference to a DOM element, in our case input field, without causing a re-render every time it changes. So let's first import our useRef from React. And then inside of our component, let's declare input ref constant. So input ref equals useRef, and initial value will be null, like that. And now the third step, let's attach this input ref variable to our input element using the ref attribute. So that's done this way. It will allow us to directly interact with the input element. And now the next step, we'll focus, it's the last step, we'll focus on the input field as soon as the component mounts. For that we'll use useEffect hook. So we'll write useEffect hook. Inside of that hook we'll type input ref current and focus, as my intelligent GitHub Copilot suggests. You might encounter an issue like that. Let me show you. So if you have your strict mode on, you will see this error. So you can do something like, I don't know, just checking if input ref, okay, like this, and current. But it also needs a type, so HTML input element. In this case, it will see that this element has a focus function inside of it. So that's the way how we handle strict mode. Okay, and now what else do we need to do? We need to pass an empty array into our useEffect to only trigger this code once when the component mounts. So let's save it, and let's also use it inside of our main component, app component. And now let's test it out. As you can see, every time we refresh the page, we can immediately start typing. So it's initially focused. And that's it. In just a few lines of code, we have created a component that autofocuses on an input field. It's a small touch, but it can make a big difference for user experience. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more React tips, and see you in the next video. Bye.